we realize that the country needs a moral leader.
Moral leaders or leaders in your community, I hope you will bring the lessons from this place in yourself, because it's basically empowerment of yourself.
Do it. We have, because we are based on strong character.
You must inspire other people to be a good example, and at the same time, as a leader kasi it is more on the integrity, at the same time it's more on the excellence, on the attitude rather on the skills.
Tara, simulan mo na, tena, bagong pag-asa, tara pena, o kabataan, ang galing naman, simulan, pagbabago sa bayan, tara tena, tara, huwag ka kaba-kaba, tena, oo, may laban ka, kanina sipagan, pagpusayan, panawagan kabataan, tara tena, maaasahan ka dito, mahusay ang ideya mo, pakita mong marunong ka, bayan sa'yo yung mahasa. Kakaba kabataan, mga katropa tayo na, huwag nang umurong sulong pa, buong loob sumama na. Tara, simulan mo na, tena, bagong pag-asa, tara tena, o kabataan ng galing naman, simulan, pagbabago sa bayan, tara tena, tara, huwag ka kaba-kaba, tena, oo, may laban ka, galing na sipagan, pagpusayan.